When we talk of the name box, this is the name box. This is the name box here. This name box contains the name of a selected cell or cell range. When you select a cell, if you don't know what is a cell, each of these rectangular box you are seeing here is known as a cell. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to name the cell, but when you select a cell, the name is going to show here. You can see it is saying A2. Okay, if you don't know about it, don't worry, we are going to cover it, how to give it the name. Okay, when I select any cell, you can see it is changing. Any cell I select here, it is changing and you will see the name here. All right, so this is where the name of the cell you select will appear, and it is known as a name box. All right, and you see when I hover over it, you can see the name box. The name box also allow you to rename a cell or a cell range. For example, as I select this A1, I can decide to give it another name. I just select this name here and type, let's say, my name, and press enter. Now this A2 now is having my name as the name. Okay, if I select this one, it is saying B1, but if I select this one, now it is now saying my name. Now I can decide to select a group of cell, that is cell range, like this, then and give it another name. For example, this selected cell range now, I can give it another name. Let me name it my data and press enter, and now it is having my data. One good thing about it is that if I want to select the name that I have given, all I need to do is to click on this small icon here, and you can see if I select my name, is going to select the A1, and if I select my data, it is going to select the selected cell range. Okay, if you don't know much about the cell range, don't worry, because we are going to cover everything in detail. Remember, we are just exploring interface of Excel. We are going to treat each of these concepts one after another so that you will understand it. Okay, just know that this place allows you to give a name to a cell or selected cell range, and also the default name is also going to appear here. All right, so stay tuned as we continue exploring Excel interface.